Well, it is now about 11:15 at night on Wednesday, March the 25th, 2020. And I've just finished up this one side. All the videos that you just watched were clips taken over the past, I think, 4 days. It's my first time cutting raw wood and then shaving the bark off of it with a draw knife and a shaving horse and making into usable pieces, actually installing it into a deck like this. This is the first time I've ever done it, but it came out looking exactly the way I wanted it to look. So now I've got to do this exact same thing all the way around this deck. The one on the other side here, where you see the stairs going up, and then the 7-foot deck on the other side. It's very time-consuming, which is kind of the distraction I needed. I needed something that was going to be very therapeutic and very time-consuming and very rewarding, as this has turned out to be. I really, really love the way that it looks. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I might use a sealant on the entire deck and paint this at the same time. But right here is a pick head that my dad found and made the handle almost the exact same way. And it's been hanging around for the past, I think, couple of years. And as you can see, it hasn't warped, cracked, or rotted in all of that time. So good raw pieces of wood that are cut green and then had the bark taken off of them and kept in a place where they stay relatively off the ground can last a very long time. So let me give you guys a closer look at this. Yeah, and you can kind of hear it, just how thick. Even the thin pieces are just like rock hard. I was breaking drill bits in these holes as I was drilling these holes. I'm gonna have to buy more drill bits, but I mean some really hefty hard wood, which makes me just kind of wonder about the quality of the wood that we get from places like Lowe's and Home Depot, because you know, the drill bits just kind of sink right into those. I think they're mostly pine, but man, when you cut actual real hardwoods, raw hardwoods, and try to use them, wood is hefty. At any rate, it's about time for me to go get some sleep and start back on this first thing in the morning. I hope this video finds all of you well, safe, and sane. Don't forget to place your hope and your faith in the hands of the one that holds the whole world that he created himself. So, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Please hit that thumbs up like button. Leave some comments, questions, suggestions, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon. Go over and select all. That'll turn on notifications, so you'll start receiving notifications of all my future updates. Blah, 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 blah. All right, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.